peeps, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I wanted to do something that still allowed me access to my scalp, so I decided to do the jumbo braids. I'm using kinky hair. I used about 9 to 10 packs. So for jumbo braids, what you want to do is take a chunk of this kinky hair, split them into 2 sections, and then intertwine them like this. This right here is the most difficult part to explain. Now to each section, you're gonna attach your natural hair to that. Act like you're about to braid your real hair and do it with the kinky hair. Oh God. It's just so much better if I was like right next to you and helping you do it so I could show you what you're doing right and what you're not. But again, take these 3 pieces. See how I folded 2 of the ends together? That makes 1 piece, and then you have the other 2 ends, so that's 3 pieces all together. And start braiding that with your natural hair. So act like you're gonna start an actual braid, but do it with the 3 pieces. I hope you guys get it. I really do. So as you're braiding the plait down, you want to continuously add gel to keep the plait seamless. So remember when I said at the beginning that I needed access to my scalp, which is one of the reasons why I picked this protective style? We are starting the hair growth challenge very soon. I'm talking about within the next 2 weeks, okay? I've already started personally. This is why I'm doing this protective style. I need to keep a style in longer than a couple of days, and also I need access to my scalp. The hair growth product that I'm going to be using is Chez Venois hair growth oil, and that is the hair growth oil that I've been developing for the past 32 weeks. I'm going to stick to what works. This works for me. This reversed my alopecia. It increased my hair growth rate tremendously, and it also helped a few of my friends and family members. Now, I'm still trying to get my dad to use it. He has male pattern baldness, but this guy is so stubborn. It's the Caribbean in him, so stubborn. When he can get in a consistent routine schedule thing, then I'll send him a bottle. Other than that, it's just gonna be sitting on his computer desk. We not wasting no oils, boo-boo. Not even if you're my father. So a few thousands of you guys have already placed in an order for a bottle. There are only a couple of hundred left. Please, please, please make sure that all your information is correct, like your billing, shipping, and email address. If it's not, contact me. I will get to your email, but just remember it's only me answering emails, so just be a little patient with me. So we're gonna start shipping out all the orders next week in the first week of April. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of days to receive it. Then we're gonna start the hair growth challenge immediately after. Now, for the rest of you guys that have your own hair growth stuff and supplements, make sure to get all of that ready because we're going to be talking about everything. What are we doing externally? What are we doing internally? How can we speed up blood circulation? Those are going to be the 3 main components, so make sure to turn on notifications so you can know exactly when we're starting and you won't miss the video. All right, now I'm working on my baby hair. So this is the final look. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And again, I really want you guys to join the hair growth challenge. So make sure you turn on notifications. If you're interested in the hair growth oil, if that's going to be your staple that you're going to be using for the challenge, make sure to click the link below. You'll find all the information on the ingredients. There's only a few hundred bottles left, so make sure to get yours if you are interested. And I will see you in my next video, y'all. So excited. Peace.